Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about something very uncomfortable but very real scenario called layoffs in tech. We have seen them everywhere: Google, Meta, Amazon, startups, unicorns, you name it. But what if you might be next? In today's video, I am breaking down the top 7 signs that layoffs could be headed your way and what you can do right now to stay prepared. So let's get started. Sign number 1: your company suddenly freezes hiring. If your company was hiring like crazy and suddenly all job postings disappear, it's a big red flag. Hiring freeze is usually the first move companies make to slow spending. And if budgets are tight, existing employees could be next. Sign number 2: top leadership, especially your manager, start talking about efficiency, restructuring, etc. Words like streamlining, cost optimization, or resource alignment are just corporate ways of saying we are cutting jobs. If you hear this often in town halls or even in the team meetings, take it very, very seriously. Sign number 3: your manager becomes less available. Suddenly, your manager is avoiding one-on-ones, they are less involved, they are in meetings all day. This could mean they are in discussion about organization changes and possibly your role. It's not always about performance, sometimes it's just business math. Now let's talk about sign number 4. You are put on a non-critical project. If you are working on projects with open goals, no stakeholders, or things labeled as internal cleanup, it might be a way to isolate roles that are easier to cut. In tech, people are revenue driving or core project teams are usually safer. Sign number 5. There is a sudden increase in micromanagement or performance improvement initiatives. If your manager suddenly starts nitpicking, asking for daily updates, or assigning unrealistic targets, it may be a sign they are building a performance case. Sometimes layoffs are masked as performance-based exits. If you see this shift, document everything and stay very alert. Sign number 6. Key people start leaving voluntarily. When top performance or respected seniors jump the ship, they often know what's coming. In tech, information flows fast, and if insiders sense instability, they leave early. If your team suddenly feels empty, it's not just you noticing. Sign number 7. Your company misses financial targets or gets acquired. If your company just missed earnings, lost a funding round, or got acquired, layoffs often follow. Acquisition bring in synergies, which is a polite way of saying we don't need two people doing the same job. Startups running out of runway are even more brutal. They cut deep and very fast. So what can you do? So here are 3 quick things to protect yourself. Step number 1: keep your resume and LinkedIn updated. Step number 2: start networking now, not after layoff. Step number 3: upskill, especially in in-demand areas like cloud, data, AI, or DevOps. And hey, don't wait for the official news. Be proactive. Layoffs are hard, but being prepared gives you power. So those were the top 7 signs layoff might be coming your way in tech. Have you noticed any of these in your company or experienced one yourself? Drop your story in the comments. Your insight could help someone else out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech career advice, certification tips, and survival strategies. Stay sharp, stay strong. I'll see you in the next one.